Assalamu alaikum dear students. I hope you are all doing well. Today we are going to learn about different means of transport. As you all know that we all need to travel. We all go to different places like school, markets or parks. For that we use different means of transport and there are different ways to travel. Now what are means of transport? The vehicles used for traveling are called the means of transport. There are three different means of transport. Number 1, land transport. Number 2, water transport. And number 3, air transport. Let me first talk about the land transport. Land transport includes vehicles that move on land. For example, buses, cars, scooters, trains, motorcycles, bullock carts, etc. Some vehicles like cars, auto rickshaws and motorcycles are used to travel short distances. Do you know trains carry people and goods to different places and they run on railway tracks? Now let's talk about the second option, that is water transport. Water transport include that vehicles which move on water. For example, boats, steamers, ships, etc. Motorboats run on engines and they move very fast. Ships carry goods and people. They are bigger than boats. Now let's talk about the third option, that is air transport. Air transport includes the vehicles that move in the air. For example, helicopters, aeroplanes, rockets. Do you know aeroplanes are the fastest means of transport? Helicopters carry people and goods and they are used during disasters to carry food and other amenities to the affected people. Rockets are used to travel in space. Now dear students, almost all the vehicles need some energy to move. Like all the human beings, like all the living things need some energy. We eat food to get some energy. Now how do they get this energy? The vehicles get this energy from petrol, diesel, electricity, coal, etc. Some vehicles like cycle rickshaws and bicycles do not need any fuel. And students, cycling is a good way to travel short distances and it's also good for your health. Now, for the better understanding of this chapter, let's watch this video.
Means of transport. During our lifetime, we travel to many places. We go to the school, to the market, to the mall, or to our relatives living in faraway cities or countries. We travel from one place to another by vehicles. These vehicles are called means of transport. Means of transport are of three types: land transport, water transport, and air transport. Means of land transport include bicycle, scooters, motorcycles, car, buses, auto rickshaws, and trains. Bicycles are for traveling to very short distances. They don't move fast as they have to be pedaled with feet. Scooters and motorcycles help us to travel relatively longer distances. They can carry 2 people at the most. Cars are the most popular means of private transportation. They travel very fast and can carry 4 to 5 people. Buses, auto rickshaws and trains are means of public transport. Buses can carry many people, while auto rickshaws can carry only 2 or 3 people, whereas trains can carry hundreds of people. Trains run at high speed along 2 parallel metal rails called railway tracks. Means of water transport help carry goods and people from one place to another on water. Examples of water transport are ships, steamers, and boats. Ships can carry thousands of people, steamers can carry hundreds, while boats can carry only a few. There are 3 types of boats: rowing boats, motorboats, and sailboats. Rowing boats are rowed by hand, motorboats run on motors, and sailboats use wind energy for moving. We can travel to a foreign country easily with the help of air transport. They are the fastest means of transport available today. Vehicles like aeroplanes that fly in the sky, carrying people and goods to faraway places, are means of air transport. Helicopters, glider aircrafts, and jet planes are other means of air transport.
We will meet inshallah in the new lecture with a new topic. Till then, Allah Hafiz.